So today we're going camping. Just gonna do a solo. I'm all packed up and everything. Pretty excited. Thanks for coming to the channel to see me attempt this first video. It's gonna be great. Today I'm gonna be camping out in Swan Valley. It's right by the Palisades area, so it's so beautiful, mostly during spring. That's what I'm really looking forward to, just being on the mountain. So it's only 1:40, so I'm gonna go do a little bit of fishing before I go to the campsite. There's a pretty cool river in High C area, which 50 miles north of, that's not right, 50 miles west of where I'll be camping. But it's on the way there, so I have to get gas over there anyways, so. Weirdest way to ever put on a backpack. I'm pretty sure someone told these fish that I was coming because nothing is biting, but you never know. Well, not a whole lot of luck. There was a bunch of kids throwing rocks into the water, so spooking the fish, maybe. That's my excuse, but I'm gonna move on to the campsite now. I gotta go get water in my tank, so we're gonna go do that first. That's my water tank. Right there. Just filled up the water, so now we're gonna drive to the campsite. As you can see, my shirt is now dirty because I fell and ate shit the second I was filming. Oh my god. I'll put it in the video. No way. No way. So besides that, I did not bring my own firewood. So I'm going to go get some firewood. I put on a shirt. Before I go out though, I'm gonna drink a beer because I really couldn't ask for a more beautiful day. It's like 75 on the bottom of the mountain and up here it's like 60. It's so cool. And there's like no wind, mostly because I'm pretty much completely surrounded by trees, but it's gonna be awesome. I have a really cool meal planned for today. Super stereotypical, just like everybody else, but I'm doing a steak and some potatoes. Just found this whole freaking tree right here. It's gonna be perfect. Do you think I'm gonna get flamed by the lumberjacks? Don't flame me, lumberjacks. Also, this shirt is not intentional. I just fell and ate shit, so. I'm realizing that I have a saw That's a bad idea. There you go. There you go. That's what I've got so far. I think when it comes to big wood, that's probably good for the night. I still gotta get kindling and stuff, but I'm gonna chill out. Maybe have like a granola bar or something. So I do have a hammock, and my hammock has changed my life. If you don't have a hammock and you're into being outside and stuff, go get a hammock, because come on now. I'm really in no hurry, so I think it's 5 right now. So I mean, because of the time of year right now, it gets dark at like 9, so I've got 4 hours to cook dinner and everything. And so I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna read a book, drink my beer, hang out in the sun. I'm gonna cut up this firewood so that I don't have to worry about it later. Just splitting some wood. Then I'm gonna go get my kindling afterwards. Yippee! I know comments that this is what a hatchet is for. I don't have a hatchet on me. Bro. Sun's at about 6 o'clock at night. Got all my firewood cut. That sucked. I'm super excited for dinner. I'm running my car for a minute so that I can charge my camera. If you guys have any good recommendations for battery chargers that I don't have to run off my car, please do let me know. Melvin's, Jesus, insane. Has to have a lime in it. A good friend of mine told me that the reason that Mexican beer has a lime in it is actually to get rid of insects from the top of it. So they don't even actually ever push it all the way into like bottles. Like in America, we've just kind of ran with it. Me being one of the Americans who ran with it, because I love the taste of lime in my beer, but I have a lot of wood. A lot more than I thought I would. But I just got that new axe and it's so nice. I love it. It's just a Milwaukee splitting axe, 26-inch. Fantastic, dude. I'm gonna start my fire here in about 30-45 minutes. Beer number 3. So I've just got the good old Coleman. So I'm gonna be starting on the potatoes because they're gonna take the longest to cook. So I'm just going with these Petite Golds. Was that corny as fuck? Shit. I'm gonna let that run for probably 20 minutes and then throw the cheese on. Hopefully they'll be done. While I'm waiting on the potatoes, I'm gonna get my my bed set up. So that's what I'm working with. And boom. Let's go check on these potatoes. There are the potatoes. Got a couple of steaks, so I'm just gonna season them up. I love this seasoning. I think it's the best. I know some people prefer like a Kinder's blend, but you know, this is what I like, so I'm gonna be putting it directly on the fire here. I've got some butter, homemade from a good friend of mine over at Lucky 7 Farms. As you can see, I gave up on that dream pretty quick. Good old Coleman, man. Test as old as time, but you know. Oh yeah. Dude, that looks perfect. Cooked a little hard, but you know what? Dude, the potatoes are primo. Oh my god. Steak's a little tough, but I mean, you can't beat the restaurant. So 5 star. I'm gonna put down dinner real quick, and then I'll get back to you after this sunset. While the sun is working on setting. It's getting a little bit later, so I'm gonna roast some marshmallows for dessert real quick. I hate metal sticks. Like all the camping companies always advertise the metal sticks. I always end up burning my face. Like, granted, you know, I mean, a wood stick, it's free, and then you just, when you're done, you throw it back into the fire. What are we doing? It's gotten colder, and it is dark. I'm super tired, so I'm just gonna lay in bed, watching my show, and then I'm just gonna probably clunk out to watching it, so I'll see y'all in the morning. I'd love to make this channel become something. This is the type of stuff I do on day to day anyways, so If you guys have any tips, please do leave them down in the comments. This is my first video. It's the first time I've ever really filmed myself. If you enjoyed the video, I'd love for you to hit that like button, fucking subscribe. Anyways, I'll catch you in the next one.